Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use left function in Excel. So let's start. This is my Excel. The left function in Excel extracts a specific number of characters from the beginning left side of a text string. So let's start. Here I taken the text happy. So let's start. Simply select the cell, use the is equal to and enter the left and select here the left function. Then select the text, comma, then enter the number. So I suppose I enter here one number, then one character will extract from this word. Okay, so here the text is happy. So one character on the left side. So H is for one character of the left side. Suppose you mention the two, then HA, the two character of the left side will extract here. So I mentioned the two, bracket closed and enter, HA will extract here. If you mention 3, then HAP will extract here. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.